Hello and welcome to a new video. Finally, I am making a video that is not a tutorial, and it somehow feels wrong that I'm not doing a tutorial, but I know it's not. So without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, I am doing a challenge by Ethan Becker in which the person participating was to select one or up to 4 artists and study their work. A template was provided for this challenge, although there was no restriction on using this template. It was more like a guideline and you were allowed to change it up a bit. For this challenge, I chose one artist as this artist is someone I really wanted to study for a long time, and I wanted to put all my attention into studying their work instead of having my attention divided into 4 different artists. This turned out to be a good decision further down the challenge. But before I reveal the artist I chose for this challenge, a little bit more on Ethan Becker. Ethan Becker is a visual developer. He has worked for DreamWorks TV. He also has experience in background design, environment design, and product design. He also has a YouTube channel where he breaks down the works of different artists and helps his viewers in improving their artistic skills. Now that we know a little bit more about Ethan Becker, we will continue on with the video and finally talk about the artist chosen for this challenge. The person I chose is Abigail Diaz, who is most commonly known as Sarah Fleur. She is a freelance digital artist. I find her work to be extremely beautiful and ethereal. I did not find much about her online, but what I did find is that she is based in Manila, Philippines, and she likes glitter and iridescence. So that is why most of her work has sparkles and is beautifully illuminated. I have linked all the socials of both artists down in the description. Now let's talk about the challenge. My goal for this challenge was to learn how Sarah Fleur paints faces, mainly skin, and combine that with my own style. For this, I decided to paint the first piece almost exactly like the piece selected for the study. This is Virgo from her Zodiac series. I chose this to be my first study because it felt like a good starting point, as it did not seem overly complicated and seemed to be somewhat easy to break down. I mostly used a basic flow brush and airbrush throughout the challenge. This first study took me a lot of time as I kept on painting in my own style, then remembering that I was supposed to be studying the artwork. I had thought that as I was replicating the first piece, it would not take a lot of time, but it took me more than a day to complete it. In the second piece, I tried to replicate the skin while also adding my own style to the painting. It took a little bit of struggle to harmonize the two styles. The end result was satisfactory as I was not entirely happy with it. This piece took half a day to complete. By the time I started the third piece, I had observed that Sarah paints the skin in a realistic manner, but what makes her work so beautiful is her way of using the reflected light that gives her paintings that illuminated look. So essentially there are two steps. First is the realistically painted skin. Second is the light reflected on the skin. This light hits the forehead, bridge of the nose, chin, and a little on the cheeks. Then, to tie the whole piece together, blush is applied on the cheeks and under the eyes to give the eyes some dimension. Highlights are added to the corner of the eyes, tip of the nose, and lips. Knowing this helped me in painting the third and the fourth piece extremely quickly as there was no more figuring out to do. And I completed both pieces in a couple of hours. I enjoyed this challenge a lot and I learned a lot as well. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for future content. And I will see you next time. Bye.